Hello there! This video will guide you on how to adjust your Kahoot's settings. Begin by accessing the Kahoot creator. Once you're in, find and click on the Settings button located at the top of the screen. Please note that the options available in the Kahoot settings might vary based on your account and subscription type. You can now add or edit the title. Be aware that a title is mandatory for saving your Kahoot. You can also add a description, but this is optional. You have the option to add a cover image, use one included in the questions, or search for a new image. Moreover, you can adjust the visibility of your Kahoot. It can be made private, visible only to you, public, visible to everyone on the Discover page, or unlisted, visible only to those with whom you share a direct link. Remember, if you want to share your Kahoots, they need to be either public or unlisted. If your plan includes that option, you can decide if you want others to be able to duplicate your Kahoot or not. You can specify where to save your Kahoot here. It's also possible to set the language of your game. Please note that this setting only helps other users find games in a specific language on the Discover section of the platform. It does not change the content of your game. Moving on to the live game section, you can add a lobby video and lobby music. If you choose to add a YouTube video, the music will be automatically disabled. The lobby video or music plays while waiting for players to join your game. Please note, YouTube videos are no longer supported for business and social users. More details can be found in the description. Teachers on the EDU plans can enhance their Kahoots by tagging them with curriculum standards. This makes it easier to align learning activities with instructional goals, improve content discovery, and support standards-based planning and assessments. Kahoot supports a wide range of curriculum frameworks. Select the relevant standard, subject and grade, and then choose the appropriate standard codes for your Kahoot. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Done. Remember to save your Kahoot. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, and subscribe. Enjoy Kahooting!